Yesterday we celebrated Narasingha Chaturdashi. The pure devotee Prahalad, he is famous for continued and constant remembrance of the Supreme Lord. When Prabhupada says, when you do Shravanam and Kirtanam, Shravanam means you hear about the glories of the Lord and you speak about the glories, then the mind becomes filled with thoughts of the Lord. Like Akrura, while entering Vrindavan, he was offering many prayers, and the result of such offering prayers was his mind became completely flooded with remembrance of Krishna. You will see that Prahalad Maharaj, in the 7th canto, 10th chapter, tells the Lord that he doesn't tell the Lord, take away my sufferings. He tells the Lord, give me your remembrance. Because when instead of asking the Lord to take away the sufferings, if you remember the Lord, then automatically the sufferings are gone. Just like somebody is in darkness, instead of saying remove the darkness, if you request the sun to come, when the sun comes, automatically darkness is removed and permanently removed. So Prahalad Maharaj, in constant remembrance of the Lord, he could very easily surpass all the sufferings. Today's authorship was Madhavendra Puri's appearance. Madhavendra Puri was constantly chanting the holy name, sitting in the bank of Govinda Kunda. And everything that he needed was accomplished. You know, Krishna as a Gopabal came and gave him milk. Later on he came in his dream and came as a deity, Gopal, whom he placed at the top of Govardhan. And all the villagers came, they brought the Annakud Bhog. Festivals were celebrated. Everything happened as if automatic, simply by remembrance of the Lord. So, such continued remembrance of the Lord accomplishes all the aspirations of the devotee effortlessly, practically. To put the devotee into such great thrill and adventure and miracle, how things are happening around. So, one amazing phenomenon is, what we speak about fills our mind. What fills our mind, we speak about. They both have a connection also. Like you will see people in stock exchange are always talking about money. They're talking about how to multiply money, and they keep multiplying money also. Sometimes they lose money, get money, but they are soaked in money. You go to a hospital, there is always talks about medicine, this treatment, that treatment. You will see that. Anywhere you go, there is some talk that fills the atmosphere. You will see that. In the same manner, you will find when a devotee talks about the Lord, mind becomes filled with remembrance of the Lord. And eventually the activities will become all aligned with the Lord. Because when you take a blotting paper and you put a ink pen, it just absorbs. Similarly, when one chants the holy name, then the remembrance of the Lord is enhanced. When remembrance of the Lord is enhanced, then what you do with the hands, legs, activities will become service to the Lord. You will see that. So they all are connected, interconnected. Therefore, there is a saying, energy flows where intent goes. If my intent is going towards Krishna, Tvayi me ananya vishaya matir madhupate sakrit Ratim Budbahatat Adha Gange Vaugam Vudanvati. Kunti Maharani is consciously praying, may my mind flow towards your lotus feet, Lord Krishna, who is Madhupati, exactly like the Ganga flows towards the ocean. So, somebody may say, Prabhu, naturally my mind is not flowing towards Krishna, what to do? Then one can offer a prayer like this. Because when we allow our mati to flow towards Krishna's lotus feet, then we will chant his names, then our mind will become filled with remembrance. Our life will become centered around Krishna. More hearing, more chanting, more serving, more remembering, more worshipping. Then in this way, when a devotee's life becomes centered around the Lord, life becomes all auspicious. And all the unwanted, inauspicious things are driven away. Just like when you put on a tube light, the darkness is driven away. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances to all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की, वैष्णव ठाकुर श्रील प्रभुपाद की, नामाचार्य हरदास ठाकुर की।